that we are gonna celebrate today.
So I not feel better now.
Why?
Some gruchu.
No. So Nadeem, what's your favorite thing about Riyadh?
My favorite thing in Riyadh, Mr. Talha.
I wanna see Jeddah, but check out the greenery here in Umm Al Hammam here in Riyadh. Our Nadeem, we are gonna be remembering all these moments, you know.
We also miss you, Pyare Osama.
Pyare Osama. Yeah.
Veer mera ghodi chadaya.
Yeah. We have these two chachas. This is the food that just arrived. Look at this, how delicious it looks. We bought this AirPods from a street vendor. Here, check this out. So it detected these AirPods. There goes the Shanja Nedo from here. This was supposed to be the crossing. You see, that Pakistan International Airlines is being sold by the government of Pakistan, and see these buses. I used to commute on these buses, but alhamdulillah now have a car. So there's a tea shop across the road over there, but just look at the skyline. Looks quite interesting. The stocks at one side, and I was looking at this very satisfying video. Okay, so I went to Mama Noora to get some fatira. A fatira is like a traditional pie. So now in our break we are going to one Bukhari restaurant to have some lunch, and well, there's good news. Mr. Rashid, he got
driving
license today. Congratulations, Rashid.
Congratulations, Mr. Rashid.
And well, we are actually gonna go to the Bukhari
Big
shop.
Party.
Yeah.
We celebrate.
That we are gonna celebrate today. The biggest party ever. Okay, so it's time. वो सामने पत्थर पे आओ ले गया वो चलो. So let's go from here or नहीं करीब नहीं जाना. He is not having some good vibes today. Why, Nadeem? Tell them why.
I don't know. Because of that.
Okay, hold it. Why are you holding that?
Okay.
Yeah.
I am feeling some mechanical issues in our vehicle. So
No, there are no mechanical issues in this vehicle.
So I not feel better now.
Why?
Some gruchu.
No. No. There is no issue of that sort. If you are hearing sounds, it's in your mind. Rashid has to say something.
Rashid, please tell me what are you saying?
Rashid, you have to say something.
Cut is too close.
Yeah, really. Now it's becoming a very dangerous turn here. Yeah. So, well, show them the road. If you people are not gonna talk, show them the road. Yeah.
Brother, you see?
You see, a very desolate road, not much traffic, occasional cars coming. So, how was your day, Rashid?
To see Kingdom Tower.
Yeah, the Kingdom Tower over there in the distance. Yeah.
Doing good. And the morning
Also having Alaya.
Olaya? The Olaya is
This
what?
one, what is
Which
the,
one?
Which one? Which tower?
The tower, the spiral tower? Al Majdool Tower.
Al Majdool.
The spiral one on the it's also on the King Fahad Road. So Rashid, how was the test? It was good. How was the experience? Experience was good.
good.
What did they ask you to do in the test?
First, tell me go straight,
Okay.
then turn left,
Okay.
then reverse.
And then you were done with your test.
Yes.
Wow. MashaAllah. Congratulations, Rashid. So when are you getting your car? Yeah, Rashid.
Yeah.
You need to show them a better view of the road. Maybe bring the camera here, or maybe zoom it. Yeah. So where were we? How long did it take, Rashid? You also had a class today, right?
Yes. That's why I am safe.
Okay, so you had a class and then you also had a test the very same day. Huh?
Yesterday my class. And
Okay.
today is my final day.
It's
Okay.
just final test. After the
Okay,
completion
so
of all
oh nice.
classes, you should join the final test. If you have any
Nice, Rashid.
pending class, then you don't take the test.
Congratulations, Rashid. So Nadeem, what's your favorite thing about Riyadh?
My favorite thing in Riyadh, Mr. Talha.
Oh, what about you, Rashid? Nothing? Why nothing? Why nothing, Rashid? You don't like Riyadh?
It's not expensive.
Yeah. What if you are transferred to Al Kharaj? Will you like it over there?
Outside the southern area.
If you get transferred to Durma, will you like it there?
Outside.
South, you want to go to South like
The
Jeddah? Okay. Nice. None of us has seen Jeddah till now.
Yeah.
I wanna see Jeddah. But check out the greenery here in Hammam, here in Riyadh. Our Pakistan is so green, but well,
See.
yeah, check out the greenery. And we are on a traffic stop, so in the meanwhile, let's talk like this. Yeah. So where are you, Rashid? You need to come in the camera. So we are going to have some Bukhari lunch. Yeah, right? And well, this is the time. This is the time in which we get to do our stuff outside of work. This 1 hour break that we have in between. So now the signal just opened, and Nadeem, you need to hold this. Nadeem, we are gonna be remembering all these moments, you know.
We also miss you, Pyare Osama.
Ah, pyare Osama. Yeah, our
Today is
cute Osama.
23 December.
Yeah.
And 4 days remaining for your Kodi.
Yeah. He's going to get married. Yeah.
Veer mera Kodi chadaya.
Yeah. So Sama has been in a lot of vlogs actually, and in a lot of material that I haven't yet posted, Mr. Nadeem.
Ah,
Yeah. So, what do you think about Hammam? Show them the road. What do you think about Hammam?
I don't see yet Malhama.
डाल दिया.
This is first time you are
आज
here?
पटे कौन ही है?
Huh?
किसी का काम करना है करो या तो.
हाँ,
बंद
okay.
करवा दो.
Okay. Don't worry about work, Rashid. Don't worry. We'll figure it out after break. Rashid, have you tried this restaurant, Mutam Al Arad?
मुताबा.
Pyare Osama, we used to come with you over here. Look at the slope. Pyare Osama. We are gonna be going to the restaurant finally. It's not that far from here. It ain't that far. Nadeem, it's the first time you are coming here to Hammam, sah?
Yeah.
Let's hope we find a parking space. Right, Rashid? There's a lot of space over here, but we don't need to walk that much. Because maybe we might find a space. Oh, there is no space. So we will have to go to the other side, Rashid, possibly. Rashid, there is no space, man. Here, finally. So we just arrived here I think we should even cross the road with this camera on. So let's go, Pyare Nadeem. Oh yes.
तला साहब जल्दी जल्दी करना
You
है.
can hand me the camera. हाँ, चलो जल्दी जाओ जा. You can hand me the camera. Yeah. We have these two chachas and me. Rashid, I'm going to sit here because we get some good sunlight from there. It's good for the video. Yeah, this is the food that just arrived. Look at this, how delicious it looks. And then we also have the laban, so it's even better. So we just had a very delicious lunch, and we bought this AirPods from a street vendor. Rashid. Yeah. So now it's time for us to go. Rashid, what were you doing?
नहीं हो रही यार.
हो रही recording अब हो रही. Okay, check this out. So it detected these AirPods, and now I'm gonna use it. Unlock to connect. Oh, my password. Okay, so it's connecting. Ooh, nice. I think it will connect. Let's go. Did it connect or not? Oh yeah. Check this out. हो गया. चले आए अब चले. हाँ. Now it's working. Yeah.
Now we finish the lunch and go to the work and take away car from parking.
Take it back. Take it back. Keep it back from you. Like this. Yeah. You were trying vlogging?
Yeah.
What were you telling them?
Just telling you, we finished.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay.
We take our car
Yeah.
from parking and go to work.
Yeah. Look at the rush over here. There's a lot of rush. Rashid, be careful. No. Not yet. Not yet. Look, it's the same car like ours. Look at that Shanjan Edo. There goes the Shanjan Edo. Very far, but oh goodness. There's a lot of traffic. In Pakistan, we would be definitely crossing this, but here we don't need to take the risk. Let's go now. Come from there. Rashid, come on. Oh goodness, man. Yeah. So now the car is on the opposite side. Now we are gonna cross from here. This was supposed to be the crossing. You see. Let's go. Also look at this side too. Okay, now we are going to work. So we'll see each other in the next portion of the video, next segment. Okay everyone, so right now I am going back home from the gym. After work I came to the gym, had a really productive session, and now the other important thing is that Pakistan International Airlines is being sold by the government of Pakistan, and as far as I know, I was following some news, Arif Habib Corporation back in Pakistan bought it for 135 billion rupees, and that's 75% of its assets. So the remaining 25% it will sell for a bit more. So the thing is that I was following that, and although I'm not invested in PIA, but let's see the outlook, and really hopeful for this national airline of Pakistan. Let's see how it goes. Right now I'm going back home, so if there's an update I'll share with you guys. Today has been actually quite, I'd say, tiring, especially at the gym. Gotta go home, take some rest. I'll see you soon. Okay, so well, I just reached home, and then I decided to actually take something to drink from this grocery store. So I was just going over there. By the way, this is the Takhasusi street, and see these buses. I used to commute on these buses, but alhamdulillah now have a car, so it's quite convenient. I've been to like literally places with that, alhamdulillah. So this is the Takhasusi street, one of my favorite ones, or should I say the most favorite one, because when I came to Saudi Arabia I got an accommodation over here, although it was far from my office, but well, I thought this is the place where I should get something for rent. And then I got a room over here, thankfully. And look at this shop, they have a lot of decorative stuff, huge decorative plants and all that, the stuff that you see in hotels. And well, over there is the grocery store, and then further down the road we have Nahdi, and Nahdi is quite famous here in Saudi Arabia. Like in your country you might have any certain pharmacy that would be famous, so here we have Nahdi in Saudi Arabia. So the grocery store is over here. So first thing that I'm gonna take is dates milk. Well, this is actually really good. There's protein milk as well, but I think this one, I'll go with this one today. And I also need some zabadi. Here we have zabadi. And now let's find something else. Well, not over here, on the other side. This is the Greek yogurt, but with the flavor blackberry and raspberry. Now I am gonna take some, what do we have over here? This one, butter croissant. I think this would be enough for a light snack. And let's go pay for this. So now I'm going back home and got to rest a bit. Let's show you the evening scenes here on Takhasusi street. There's a tea shop across the road over there, but just look at the skyline. Looks quite interesting. Super interesting. Anyways, how's your day been? How are you all doing? Let me know down in the comments, and I would appreciate if you can also let me know where you are, where you people are watching this video from. Okay everyone, so I just reached home and got fresh, and this is what's happening right now. So we have the stocks at one side, and I was looking at this very satisfying video, and then also the stuff that I bought, the Greek yogurt, the croissant and the date milk. So I'm gonna be doing some work and watching some stuff that intrigues me, so let's see what we do after that. Possibly I'm gonna go out to get something light for dinner, and well, there's not much happening beside that other than what I'm gonna do right now. So we are gonna end the video later on, but let's see. Okay, so I went to Mama Noora to get some fatira. A fatira is like a traditional pie, and I also got one Rani drink. Rani, we have that back in Pakistan as well, but here it's also getting famous. I see ads for that as well. So a Rani orange drink and a fatira. So after I get done with this little, should I say it's a snack? Yeah, late night snack. So I'll be editing one more vlog. I've been working on my content and also reading stuff about AI and also the PIA privatization. So last 3-4 hours have been dedicated to working on some stuff, and well, let's see once I go back if I'm able to make some more videos and all. So in some 4 hours or so I have to go to work again. So let's see, inshallah, hopefully all will go well. And these are the scenes here. Inshallah we'll see each other in another vlog. Wish me well, and I hope you all would be in the best of your health, wealth, love and happiness in your life.